ਕਿੰਨਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਦਿਨ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਹੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੌਮ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਕੱਠੀ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਅੱਜ ਆਟਵਾ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਰਾਜਧਾਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹਾਂ। It's a great day in Canada today where we have the Sikh community here in Ottawa at the Parliament building, Parliament Hill, to celebrate Sikh Heritage Month. Bole So Nihal! We're Canadian. We start our events with the national anthem. We have Miss Rosie, who's here from Brampton, to sing the national anthem for us, and the Sikh national anthem, De Shiva Varmohe. So if we can have her come up and sing for us, that would be great. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all thy sons command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. De Shiva Varmohe शुभ कर मन ते कबहू न डरो अरस्यों जब जाए लड़ो, निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करो। हर सिख हो अपने ही मन को, एह लालच हो गुण तो उजरो। जब आव की ओर निदान बने, हथ ही रण में तब जूझ मरो। दे शिवा परमोहे शुभ कर मन ते कबहू न डरो अरस्यों जब जाए लड़ो, निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करो। निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करो। बोले सोनेहा बोले सोनेहा बोले सोनेहा बोले सोनेहा दे शिवा परमोहे शुभ कर मन ते कबहू न डरो अरस्यों जब जाए लड़ो, निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करो। निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करो। निश्चय करे अपनी जीत करो। वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।
Thank you very much, Ms. Rosie. ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ MP ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੌਕਾ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ to speak. We have several member of parliaments that are here today. We're going to be giving them an opportunity to speak as well. I know you guys have a busy schedule and we're a little bit behind schedule, so please bear with us. For our opening statement, I'd like to call up Manvir Singh, jo ke Montreal to ne, Montreal di sangat to. I'd like to call up Manvir Singh. Manvir Singh.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Good morning everyone. Today we gathered here at Parliament on a very precious moment. Today we are here to be a part of a historic day when a flag of the Khalsa, the Nishan Sahib, will raise at the Parliament of Canada. April is an important month for the Sikh nation, and this month the Sikhs widely celebrates Khalsa Day, also known as Vaisakhi, in over 150 countries across the globe where the Sikhs are living at this time. The Sikhs have had a long history with and in Canada, from being resident for over 125 years since 1888 to having the first Prime Minister of Canada, Sir John A. Macdonald, just after BNA Act calling for an army of Sikhs in 1867. It is a long journey through the incident of Guru Nanak Jahaj, also known as Komagata Maru, in 1914. In 2008, Prime Minister Right Honorable Stephen Harper apologized for that incident in which hundreds of Sikhs, accompanying with few Indians seeking a better life in Canada, were turned away. Honorable Harper chose to offer an apology in a park instead in the Parliament. The community, including the organizers of the event, recognized the gesture but rejected the apology immediately. In 2014, Canada commemorated the legacy of the Komagata Maru through Canada Post in issuing a stamp. In May 2016, Prime Minister Right Honorable Justin Trudeau formally apologized in the House of Commons for the Komagata Maru incident. Today, we are proud that Sikhs' mother language, Punjabi, has become the third most spoken language in the Parliament of Canada. We are proud that a Sikh, Sardar Harjit Singh Sajjan, is our Minister of National Defence in Canada. We are celebrating the Sikh Heritage Month here in Ontario since 2013, when a Bill 52 has passed by Legislative Assembly of Ontario, which was brought by Sardar Jagmeet Singh, MPP from Brampton, Ontario. Thank you, Sardar Jagmeet Singh. It is happening now. Your hard work has grown up today. I would also want to thank Mr. Sukh Taliwal, the Member of Parliament of Canada, for helping us to organizing today's event. And thank you all to be the part of it. And thank you, Mr. Sukhminder Singh Hansra, for brought this idea to raise a Khalsa flag, the Nishan Sahib, here in Parliament of Canada. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Every time I have the opportunity to come to Parliament Hill, it gives you an emotional feeling. You get that tingling feeling because you are at the Parliament of your country. A place where so many great things happen. The place where the apology, the official apology by our Prime Minister Justin Trudeau came down for the Komagata Maru. So thank you for that. This is a building that embraces us all as Canadians. And that tingling, that emotional feeling is only felt tenfold when we come here to raise the flag of the Sikh nation during Sikh Heritage Month. I'd like to thank all of the members of Parliament that made this possible. I'd like to thank all the Sangat that drove from Toronto, drove from Montreal, and the Sangat here that's here from locally from Ottawa as well. We have a number of members of Parliament that are here today. Some of them are going to speak, some of them I'm going to recognize. We have Lloyd Longfield here from Guelph. Lloyd, you're in the room. Thank you for coming. Everybody please give him a round of applause. We have Arnold Viersen from the Conservative Party from Peace River, Westlock. Please give him a round of applause. We have Ken Hardy from Fleetwood, Port Kells. He's also here. Give him a round of applause. Awesome, thank you very much. He's right in the middle there. I have some familiar faces. They're definitely important faces. Just because they're familiar, we should never diminish the great work that they do for our community every day. We have some members of our community who are women, are strong women from our community. They are members of parliament. We have Sonia Sidhu and Ruby Sahota who are here. Please give them a round of applause if you guys can come up as well, come to the stage. And we have Raj Gurwal that is also here. Please give him a round of applause. When Raj is not playing basketball, he spends his time in Ottawa as an MP, so thank you for that. And Randeep Singh Sarai, who's also here from Surrey Centre. So I'm going to call them all up. They're all from the same party, so you guys can speak one by one in terms of saving some time. But I'd like to call you guys all up and say a few words. Thank you very much.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you for this opportunity, Harpreet, and thank you, Mr. Hansra, for arranging this event today. And just like you said, it gives you a tingling feeling to be here in Parliament. Well, it gives me a tingling feeling to see all of you here in Parliament with us today. And anytime we get to see all the Kesari Dastars, it makes a good day for us on the Hill. And we look forward next week on the 10th to also continuing our tradition of having the Khandpat Sab de Pog next on the 10th of April here in Parliament, which has been a tradition we've been doing here for years and years now. And last year, as you all saw, the Prime Minister joined us in the festivities of Vaisakhi, and we had almost 1,000 people here. It was a beautiful sight. And today is going to be a first in history where we see the Khalsa flag, waving in the air today on Parliament Hill, and it's going to be a beautiful sight. So thank you all for coming and joining us. And on behalf of me, and I can pretty much say on behalf of a lot of my colleagues that couldn't make it here today, that we work hard to make sure that the Sikh voice is heard, our constituents' voices are heard, Brampton is highlighted, and all the members that come from different ridings. They try to speak for all communities, and especially for religious rights and minority rights. And one thing I would urge is that as we see that there's a lot of controversy these days for different religious minorities, that we all stand together in solidarity and help those that are in need in difficult times. And that's what Sikhs have always done historically, and that's the legacy that we need to carry on and move forward with. Not just serve ourselves, but serve those around us that are vulnerable. And that would be my only request on such a wonderful occasion today, that we don't forget that legacy. So Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Bole So Nihal.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. First of all, thank you, Harpreet, thank you, Hansra Ji, and thank you all of you who came early, got up 4 o'clock and then came here. And as Ruby said, exactly, I just want to give a message again. Our Guruji, Guru Granth Sahib, also give a message to serve mankind and be united. Doesn't matter which religion is like a controversy or some, we have to stand together. And also, as you see, like we have a 4 cabinet minister. I'm proud to be a Sikh woman and representing Brampton here, Brampton South. So thank you for we have so much contribution in the past history and right now in the businesses, in the politics, in the community. We have to keep that spirit up. And as all you know, and this is a good time to raise a Khalsa flag on the hill, and congratulate you, all of you. And on the 10th, we are celebrating Vaisakhi here, and this is and as in the past, you see officially our Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, Right Honourable Prime Minister, has apology. That is a big achievement for all of the Sikh community. And thank you for coming, and just thank you for giving us the opportunity to represent our ridings. And we all working for you. We are in one team. We have strong voice here. And thank you very much.
If we can get a member of Parliament, right? Randeep, up here. Thank you.
ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ I want to thank you all for coming here, and I want to thank the organizers, Harpreet Singh, Mr. Hansra, and all those that came here from Montreal, from Toronto, and from Ottawa here. We are very fortunate to live in a country with a government that is open to everyone. This is probably one of the few legislatures or parliaments of the world where celebrations such as Vaisakhi, Sikh Heritage Month, Nowruz, Holi, all types of worship and practice of worship of different faiths are all celebrated in this one parliament, and we are very fortunate to be in that parliament that has given opportunities to people like myself, people like Sonia Sidhu. This type of freedom that we have is a very precious freedom, and I think we should cherish it. And my primary urge to all of you is that you get your next generations, your children, involved in public service one way or another. I think today, if you've obviously seen the 17 Sikh members of Parliament in this House from both parties, and maybe from other parties in the future as well. But you also have seen staffers, and I want to commend all the staffers. There are over 24 Sikh staffers that are in Parliament Hill, and I just learned today we've, for the first time ever, had a Sikh page, which is a student who works in the Parliament, either on the Senate or the House side. Ms. Chavla, she's over there from Vancouver. So we are making strides by having the first Sikh senator, Senator Sabhi Marwa, come to Canada, come to Parliament and be a representative here, and we hope for more to come. And I want to congratulate the organizers for raising the Sikh flag and celebrating Sikh Heritage Month here again. Waiguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waiguru Ji Ki Fateh.
And next I'd like to call up a good friend, Jati Sidhu. He's here from Abbotsford. Member of Parliament Sidhu, please come by and say a few words. Thank you very much.
Waiguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waiguru Ji Ki Fateh. I'd like to thank Mr. Hansra organizing this event today. Like Ruby said, it's the first time in the history of Sikhism that we're raising this flag. I think it's raising awareness around the world, actually, what we stand for, united, like to share our religion with other religions and wants to work together. It's a good day for Sikhs around the world today. It's a good day for Canada that we're celebrating diversity today. I'm very happy to be here joining this celebration, and I'd like to welcome you all, actually, coming in big number at the Parliament here. So welcome all, and Waiguru Ji Ka Khalsa.
Even though I live in Brampton, I never get to see all my MPs together in one spot. So next I'd like to call up Kamal Khera. Thank you.
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I'm Kamal Khera, a proud member of Parliament for the riding of Brampton West. Again, it is truly an honor to be with all of you here today. I mean, yesterday we raised the flag in the city of Brampton at City Hall. And again, it's a true honor for all of you to be here and to celebrate Sikh Heritage Month. As you know, this year it's Canada's 150th anniversary. And what a day to celebrate, talk about the Sikh history and the contributions of our Sikh brothers and sisters has made in the Canadian history. So again, I welcome all of you from all different areas. I know we have people from Brampton. I know people have from Vancouver. I'm not sure if we have people. We do have people from Vancouver and Montreal and Ottawa. So I welcome all of you again. And Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa. Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
You know, it's exciting. It's exciting. We're all here. The room is, it's uncomfortable. We're hot. We're standing really close to each other, but everybody is very excited. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੇ ਮੌਕੇ ਰੋਜ਼-ਰੋਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੇ ਮੌਕੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ, ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬੀਬੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਖੀ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਆ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ। ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ 20 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ 25 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸਾਖੀ ਸੁਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਰਾਜਧਾਨੀ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕੇਸਰੀ ਝੰਡਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਲਾਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਅੱਜ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸਾਖੀਆਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਵੀ 20 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਖਾਉਣੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ today in the present time we are here to establish. Raj, I'd like to call up my good friend Raj. You know, he's a member of parliament, but to us he's our friend, so it's important for me to recognize him as a friend first and as a member of parliament second. So Raj, thank you.
गुरु प्यारी साध संगत जी, हाथ जोड़ के फतेह प्रवान करनी। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। You know, हर रोज असी इत्थे आउने आ, बड़ा अज मन बड़ा खुश होया अपनी संगत देख। मैं जी प्रबंधक कमेटी आ उन्होंने का धन्यवाद करना चाहना। ये कोई सौखी चीज़ नहीं हैगी ऑर्गेनाइज करनी। सो उन्होंने जोड़ना, तालियां मारो उन्होंने, प्रबंधक कमेटी जिन्होंने टाइम कट के अपना ये चीज़ ऑर्गेनाइज की। मेरे सारे कॉलीग्स ने गल की on the success of the Sikh Canadian story. The Prime Minister Justin Trudeau last year, when asked about the success of Sikhs and how he has 4 Sikh cabinet ministers and 17 Sikh MPs, said in fact the success of Sikh Canadians is just truly this another Canadian success story. And is desh di eh bahut badi deen hai that no matter where you come from, no matter what you believe in, that if you work hard, if ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਣੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ, to the little kids, the younger generation, know that this is your house, this is your parliament, this is your country, and that if you work hard, one of you will become the Prime Minister of this country. I have no doubt about it. That if ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਸੋਚਦਾ, when you think about a Sikh, what do you think of it? You think of ਨਾਮ ਜਪਣਾ, ਵੰਡ ਕੇ ਛਕਣਾ, ਕਿਰਤ ਕਰਨੀ. When you think about Canadians, you think about the same attributes, that yes, Sikh values are Canadian values, and that's what makes our country so great, is that we live and die on the strength of our diversity and inclusiveness. And today's flag raising is just another symbol in a rich history of Canada and the Canadian Charter, that we are free people in this country and that we're all equal. And for that, I think we should always celebrate. We should never forget the fact that Canada is our home, but we should also, our number one job as citizens is to make sure that we protect this country and fight for this rights, and not just of the Sikh community, but all Canadians across the board. ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਆ। ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਕੋਈ ਸੇਵਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਬੋਲੇ ਸੋ ਨਿਹਾਲ।
ਬਸ ਸਾਡੇ 2 ਹੋਰ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਹਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਪਾਰਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕੇਸਰੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਝਾੜਾਂਗੇ। ਵੀ ਆਈ ਟੂ ਕਾਲ ਅਪ ਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ, ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ ਹੇਅਰ ਫਰਮ ਮੌਂਟਰੀਅਲ, ਜੋ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖ ਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਾਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਨੇ। ਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ, ਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਰੁਪਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ। ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਵੈਸੇ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਆਏ ਆ, ਆਪਾਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਔਰ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਸਿੱਖ ਹੈਰੀਟੇਜ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਸਿੱਖੀਜ਼ਮ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਆ, ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਰਹਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ, ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਚਲੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਟੂ ਸੇ ਸਮ ਵਰਡਸ ਹੇਅਰ। ਸੋ ਆਈ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਸੇ, ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਰੱਖਾਂਗਾ ਆਪਣੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾਣ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੀ 3rd ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਆ। ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਬੋਲੇ ਆ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਿਆ। ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ, ਐਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਇਹ ਆ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਤੇ ਮਾਣ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰੀ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਉਸ ਬੰਦੇ ਦੇ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਥਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਵੱਧ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ। ਅੱਜ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਮਾਣ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾਣ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, ਸਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਝੁਕਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਾਣ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮਾਣ ਕਿਉਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੈ। ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਚਰ ਆ, ਸਿੱਖ ਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਚਰ ਆ, ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ, ਅੱਜ ਉਸੇ ਦੀ ਦੇਣ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਮਾਣ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੌਂਟਰੀਅਲ ਤੋਂ, ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਤੋਂ, ਓਟਵਾ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ, ਔਰ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜ਼ਰਸ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਬੜਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਇੱਥੇ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਇਨ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਸਾਲ ਇਹ ਆਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਹਰ ਸਾਲ ਰੱਖੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਗਮੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕੀਤਾ, ਉੱਥੇ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਸ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤਾ।
ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਹਾਂ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਜਗਮੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ। ਸੋ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੇ ਕੁਝ ਗਲਤੀ ਜਾਂ ਬੋਲਦਿਆਂ ਕੋਈ ਵਰਡ ਐਸਾ ਕਿਹਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਖਿਮਾ ਦਾ ਜਾਚਕਾਂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ closing ਜਿਹੜੇ speaker ਨੇ, I'd like to call up Sukhwinder Singh Hansra for a few minutes to come and say a few words. After that we'll be closing, and then everybody can be prepared ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਾਹਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਗਲੀ ਰਸਮ ਆ we will do that then. Thank you.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। First of all, I'd like to thank all the member parliaments who are here to make this event even more important and more integral part of our Canadian society when our elected members take part in it. Also want to thank Sukh Taliwal to help us book this room. Also want to thank Kamal Khera, Member of Parliament. Her staff actually helped her, and Ruby Sohota. We were having little issues because some of our guest list was overwhelmed. They just got fatter. You know how we have all, myself has a weight problem. So our guest list had a weight problem. You know, we're supposed to have only 70 to 80 people, but a lot more showed up. So thank you very much to make that happen so everybody could join in. Let me talk about the Sikh heritage, the importance of Sikh heritage. Sikh heritage is no different from a Canadian heritage, so to speak. From 1897 to 2107, I think the Sikhs has contributed so much that is to be celebrated. We have corrected our mistakes, even though it took 100 years for politicians to realize that denying an entry to Kamangara Maru was in fact a mistake. It was rectified, and I like to, thank Justin Trudeau for that, or the government of Ontario, Liberal government, for doing that, because, we have seen that the Sikhs have been struggling with this issue for many years, and previous government, no offense to any member of parliament who's here from that party, but no offense, but I like to make that very clear that they did not need to play politics with that mistake. You only rectify a mistake to accept that that is a mistake. That was a mistake. Everybody knew it was a mistake. Once that apology came in the House of Commons, I think the gap that created, the racism or the black mark that had on a Canadian history, it starts slowly fading away. And I think what needs to be done more and more, that a lot of work needs to be done in order to recognize the Sikh heritage. Sikh heritage is a great story to celebrate. And today we are here. This is a start, this is a beginning, because the government of Ontario has proclaimed it, and on behalf of all of you, all the Sikh community living in Canada, I like to make this formal request to all the member parliaments who are listening. We also have prepared a little memorandum to give it to them, or we're going to email it to them, to request that the Sikh Heritage Month to be proclaimed at the government of Canada's level, so the provinces doesn't have to struggle with it. So the people from Montreal come and arrange the event, but they have to say it's been celebrated in Ontario. This event is mostly organized by people, or the folks in Montreal, Manveer Singh, Parminder Singh and other guys. But because it's not legislated in Quebec, they have to use the word Ontario. So being a member of parliament, please take it to your caucus, take it to your party, take it to your leader, and say this needs to be done. And it's going to be another success story if within the month of April, or within 2017, we proclaim Sikh Heritage Month in Ottawa. So entire Canada, people of Canada, can celebrate this and can connect to the roots of Sikhs, because Sikhs are integral part of Canada. Now we have ministers right and left. During the month of April, there are a lot of events happening in Ontario. A lot of events are happening in GTA. But the hoisting of a Kesari flag at the Canadian Parliament was to come here and bring that message to the Parliament that please recognize it so we could start celebrating it, we could start connecting with it, we could start telling entire Canadian population about the Sikh heritage, about what we believe in, how we share. I mean, kitchen in Gurdwaras is nowhere to be seen other than the Sikh heritage. So we need to tell that. We can only do that if moments like these are given us opportunity. The Sikh Heritage Month is indeed an opportunity for us to connect and reflect on our roots. So I want to thank everybody once again. I want to thank Rosie Kaur for such a beautiful O Canada and Deshiva Barmo. This is what nations do. This is what nations do. When the nations talk about themselves, they first remember their motherlands. They first remember their roots. And I want to thank her for that because she volunteered. She came all the way from Toronto and with her husband Parm, who's taking my picture. Thank you very much. And we also want to thank Dilip Singh Purwana, Ottawa Sikh Society, Sardar Ram Swaroop Singh, I think he's available here, he's right here available. I want to thank him because he was indeed instrumental to give us a push to come to Ottawa and have this event. So if please forgive me. I will make sure I make it up by the time we walk it from here to the flame. That's where we will be raising flags. So I want all the member parliaments here, please walk us with them, take pictures, hashtag, tweet, parliament hoisting or whatever you want to tweet, create your own hashtag. But, share this moment of joy to everybody, to all the Canadians. Thank you very much. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki
शुभ कर मनते कबहू न टरो देह शिवा पर मोह है शुभ कर मनते कबहू न टरो शुभ कर मनते कबहू न टरो न डरो और सो जब जाए लड़ो निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करो सिख हो अपने ही मन को लालच हो गुण तो उचरो जब आओ की औद निधान बने अत हिरन में तब जूझ मरो बोले सोनिहाल देह शिवा पर मोह है शुभ कर मनते कबहू न टरो जाओ तो प्रेम खिलन का जाओ सिर धर तली गली मेरी आओ